We're about to go street skating and just see New York, and we're very excited about it. So we're gonna go. We're wearing matching shirts.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't even realize that.
That's how we do.
All right, let's go. Queer girl straight skates. Yeah. What's up, Beto? I'm so excited.
The plan is to get lost in New York City.
Put the place up. Put my face up. Why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you slapped me in the back.
Hey, so we're getting a tour from the New York native.
What's up?
What's up? Absolute epic icon, not only just of New York, but of blading.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Put the place up. Put my face up. Why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you slapped me in the back. Put my face up.
Oh my God, look, it's the ball. I thought it was bigger.
Why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you slapped me in the back. I ain't going outside in this cold ass winter, gotta roll up and now. See you from afar, got my thoughts in the sky. Where we used to kiss, sunshine, shit, and why? You gotta call me every day, pretend you my baby. I see more real out there lately, it's crazy. Yeah, we could be the same as we claim in this kingdom shit and keep it tame. Come on, baby girl, we're not the same. Two different speeds, but we keep it one lane. Yeah, what goes around comes around. Keep 100, y'all. Do this for my soul like a dawn. Put the stereo on.
Put your hands in the air, we'll be alright. Oh, you keep messing up my mind, but I love your style. You know
Put the place up. Put my face up. Why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you slapped me in the back.
And we're heading back. We did it. We had so much fun. It was a blast. We survived. And now we're getting ready to go to a Broadway show. We street skated all over New York and it was amazing. We saw the Rockefeller Center. We saw Radio City. We saw
20, right?
Yeah,
the New York Library.
it's crazy. Good
What
work.
else did we see?
Yo, the New York Radio
Oh,
City.
Times
Did we
Square.
talk
Did you say
about
Times
that
Square?
already?
Times Square. Times Square. We saw Times Square.
Times Square.
We skated through all of it.
Yo.
Anyway, so thanks for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and invite me to your city so I can skate around with all my friends.
Yes.
Period.
And
Period.
most importantly, cheers to the queers.
I've got a